Hey, I wanted to take a minute and talk about the FIFO method. It's one I get a lot of questions on, and what is the FIFO method? I want you to remember that this is in the perspective of the business owner, not the consumer. So I, as a business owner, am going to purchase products to sell. First in, first out means I want to sell what I bought first. Milk is a good example. I want to sell the milk that I bought the earliest because I don't want the milk to go bad on the shelf. So I would take my original milk that I bought the earliest and push it towards the front of the refrigerator, so consumers will buy that before they buy the milk that I bought yesterday. So that's what first in, first out means. I have an example here for us to take a look at. This is a pool company, but they sold 160 packets of this chlorine. And it says use the FIFO method to find the cost of the 160 packets sold. Remember, this cost is my cost as the business owner. This is not from the perspective of the consumer. It's from the perspective of the business owner. First in, first out means this is the product that I bought first. That means I'm going to sell all of these first. So they sold 160. That means they sold all of these 100. So 100 times $9.65 is the $965. There's still 60 left, right? That means the 60 came out of the May 8th inventory. So this 60 times $9.75 is $585. That's all the 160 that they sold. Add those together. The value of the inventory that they sold, meaning my cost as the owner, was $1,500 and $1,550. Then there's the other perspective. Okay, I sold 160. What's the value of the remaining inventory? What's left in my warehouse? What's the value of that? Again, this is not from the perspective of the consumer. It's me, the business owner. These are the costs that I paid to buy this inventory to sell. Well, I sold all these 100, remember? Because I sold 160. I sold 60 of these 65, which means there are 5 left. 5 times $9.75 is $48.75. Then we have all these 145 left. 145 times 990 is this 1,400. Add these two numbers together, which is $1,484.25. This is the value of what I have remaining in my inventory. I hope this helps kind of clarify what FIFO means. If you would like more help, come on into Adobe and let me help you out.